Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Whoa, feel more. Wow. Cool. Chick Hicks. Yeah. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Wow, Tormentor. Yeah. Wow, Tormentor. Yeah.
Here comes a nice fresh corn!
Pour it on.
Oh, ho, you got me!
This is Lightning McQueen. Wow.
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McQueen!
This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Ciao! You're gonna fit right in California.
Cool. Chick Hicks. Yeah.
Hey, what? What's going on?
Wow. Dinoco King. Yeah.
You know then? This grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
This is Justin Marshall. Yeah.
You was worried about me, wasn't you? Huh?
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah.
Started a racing school, formed a nonprofit that provides snow tires to the lightly treaded, and I'm learning French.
Wow, that's a lot.
Oui.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get it out!